What follows is just a little update on the temporary workshop and a little bit about what we've been doing in the orchard. So this is the entrance from the house to the falling down shed, and to the side there is what used to be a room just for cats that was actually full completely to the hilt with crap. Let me show you inside. So I've made a start on trying to remove some of the stuff in here. We've got a bit more to do. This will become a temporary workshop to start with, to give me somewhere to build the chicken coops and help repair the other buildings. But once the other buildings are repaired, this will become our outdoor food storage and prep area. Okay, so here we've got the bottom half started to be boarded out, just painted to seal it, but this room is starting to feel and to look like a workshop, maybe even a growing room. But once it's all boarded out and the shelves are up, it'll be a very, very useful room compared to what it was like. Okay, so it's St Patrick's Day today, and between watching the races at Cheltenham, I've also been doing a bit more work on the workshop. So we've been battening, boarding, got the electrics in, more power sockets, and just starting to get the place usable. I shall keep you informed of the progress. Hopefully I'll get a bit more done this week. Okay, so it's Friday, March the 19th, and I've finally reached the stage where I have finished battening the walls and started to board them. I've got a little bit more work to do on supporting the bench there. Got a few more beams to put in, but that is the electrics done, the battening done, beer ready, and the boarding on its way. Hope to get this finished by tomorrow. We shall see. Today's Friday, March 19th I think it is, and I've yesterday finished sort of boarding it out, and what we're going to do now is paint all the boards so it's all lined, thermally insulated, and get it all painted so it's nice and bright and clean, and then we'll start putting the shelves up on these boards here. We'll build the shelves out a little bit to there, from there, same across the back there, and then just below me down there is going to be a worktop. At some point I might actually put a sink in here as well, because this is going to be our outdoor food prep area for prepping food, brewing wine and all that sort of stuff. So I'll keep you updated as to the progress and to what's going on. See you soon. Hi, so it's Sunday lunchtime, and I've finally finished shelving this, well, almost finished shelving it. There's a few shelves just behind me there that we ran out of boards, but it's going to be a good grow room. It's going to be a good tool room. It's looking really good. I'm really pleased with it, from what we started with anyway. So that's my temporary workshop. It's going to become our larder. As you can see, we've got loads of shelving. So once we get all that produce being made, we can store it safely. Hi, so that's how we're doing with the temporary workshop. It's boarded out, it's shelved, it's painted. I've just got a couple of shelves left to do, but I need to go and get a new board for that. But we're ready to start putting things in there, start using it as a grow room, start using it as a workshop, and more importantly, get ready for being a larder, which leaves me with the falling down shed and the green shed to sort out. Oh, and the potting shed. So I've got 3 more buildings I need to sort out. The falling down shed, I'm going to pull it down. A friend of mine, fingers crossed, has offered me one of those concrete sectional garages, so we're going to get that built up. Hopefully it needs a new roof, but we're going to get that done. Maybe clad it, but sort of do it out and make it into a really good, useful building. The weather this month has been pretty awful, first couple of weeks of the month, so I've not really been able to get much done down at the orchard, not as much anywhere near what I would like to have done. But I'm just going to add a little bit of video just to show you how the orchard is coming along. It's slow progress, it's hard work, but we're getting there. So if you've liked the video and you want to continue following my journey, if you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'll try and put a couple of tags up for some other of my videos somewhere around here. Thank you for watching, thank you for following me. I love all your comments. Please add a comment below, good or bad. Helps me grow as a YouTuber, helps me grow as a gardener, always something to learn. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. So we're starting to rake up the ivy and all the brambles coming down, and then we're going to use cardboard and compost like I have done over there to suppress the ivy. And there's nothing like a good old bonfire to burn all that stuff that's come out of the orchard. So this is our source of potash, and we're going to get a little fire pit going nearby. I've got an old gas container that I've cut open. We can chuck the embers in with some bones as well. And of course, if you sat around the fire at the end of an evening, we need a bit of coronavirus. Well, it is nearly a year, isn't it? Happy gardening, people.